Hey, this is Dave Ing. So I'm in the salvage yard and I'm working on removing the Acura ILX trunk latch today. You'll see it sitting on the trunk lid here, and it was covered up by this plastic cover, and there's a few things that we want to remove. There are these plastic clips that it looks like you go in through the kind of the middle of that plastic clip and pry it down like that. And then there's also a little plastic clip that's on a screw that we have to remove. I usually stick my thumb on the outside of that clip and go in with a number 1 or a number 2 Phillips head to remove that. You just spin it, and then it'll eventually just kind of work its way out. That one guy is a little bit tricky. There you go. So he came out. We're going to work out the rest of these clips here. I'm actually going to go ahead and take this whole panel off so that we can see the latch really clearly. Okay, so that whole thing comes down. You don't necessarily have to take out that whole fabric liner. If you just take out the top parts, you might be able to just fold it down, or you take it out if you don't want any creases in this fabric. So let me give you the trickiest part of this latch removal. It is getting the plastic cover off. And if you can see it, there are two spots where it clips in. What I do is that I go in with a small screwdriver and a straight pick. You stick them in to try to create space between the plastic and that clip. The first couple times I did this, I hit myself in the face, so you just want to be careful. And then that just works that cover off there. Pretty straightforward, so you just fiddle with it till you get it. And then the rest of the job is pretty simple. There is an electrical plug here that is 3 pins, and then there's just 2 10mm bolts that you remove. And then the back of the latch has this is just a release from inside of the cabin. You just pull back on that and release it. So there you go. I have the latch and the cover, and I will have a link to eBay as well as the OEM part number in the description. We'll see you next time.